To enable inventory management, which in its turn provides for the success of sales and purchase processes and inventory management, all your company's warehouses have to be listed and defined in the system. In ERP, a default warehouse is pre-configured by application developers. You cannot change or delete it. If you do not create any other warehouses, the system will automatically use this warehouse as a single default warehouse. This warehouse will be used for inventory transactions, and all items will be allocated to it. However, if a single warehouse is not enough for you, you can define multiple warehouses depending on your needs. To enable the creation and use of multiple warehouses, you have to turn on the Multiple Warehouses option in My Company settings. After that, you can create as many warehouses as you wish and set any of them as a default warehouse. If multiple warehouses are not allowed in the system, you cannot create and use any other warehouses than the default warehouse predefined by application developers. Also, the field warehouse will be unavailable in all sales, purchase, and inventory documents. The document warehouse movement can be used only for transferring goods between different sections of the single warehouse or between different inventory accounts. While creating a warehouse, you do not link any items to it. Neither specify you in what warehouses an item can be stored while entering its inventory details. As a result, you can store all items in all warehouses, and different quantities of one item can be allocated to different warehouses. Warehouse details must be known for inventory documents and other documents that use inventory data, in particular sales, purchase, and inventory documents, the recognition document, the initial balances document, and the manual transaction document. Also, warehouses are used for sales, purchases, inventory, and fixed assets management. To add a new warehouse to the system, fill the name field and select a warehouse manager from the list of existing employees or add a new employee. In the Contacts tab, add the address of the warehouse. Clicking on the Fill Full Address button will copy the full address from the Contacts section you just filled to the full address field. In the Stock tab, you will be able to see in-stock balance of items stored in the warehouse, items to which the warehouse was linked, amounts reserved for sale or expected from purchase. Use the Charts tab to create and analyze charts displaying the stock balance of each stock item stored in the warehouse. To deactivate the warehouse, turn on Inactive option. Once you are done, click on the Save button.